We often talk to companies who think there's nothing left for them to achieve through energy efficiency. Been there, done that. If you're nodding along right now, well, the data says otherwise.
In fact, the louder someone says we've done all we can, the more opportunity we usually find.
The truth is, meeting your carbon, cost, and credibility targets isn't about good intentions. It's about good information and expertise. And right now, that information is scattered.
Meters in one system, bills in another, emissions in a spreadsheet. Expertise is in short supply.
Operation knows what's really happening on the ground. Meanwhile, facilities teams are juggling production rates,
Quality control, safety drills, and yes, energy management, usually somewhere in between if there's time and after lunch.
Acting on energy data is tough. Explaining it is tougher. And turning it into repeatable wins, that's where most programs stall out.
Say hello to Gazebo. More than a dashboard, Gazebo is your energy command center.
Whether you're running a manufacturing plant, a hospital complex, or a multi-site portfolio, Gazebo adapts to your sites and makes performance clear. It turns scattered inputs into a single source of truth.
Gazebo connects the boiler room to the boardroom, showing you what you can do, should do, and have to do to hit your goals. Spot high-impact, no-regret projects. Track near real-time performance. Standardize KPIs across every location. See how one site savings stack up against the rest.
And here's the part every CFO loves. It ties every action to financial and operational results. Even if the C-suite never opens Gazebo, they still feel the impact.
One metal extrusion company used Gazebo to audit operations and maintenance savings opportunities. They found over 30 air leaks and $10,000 in savings with zero investment.
A potato processing plant cut over 600,000 kilowatt hours after leveraging real-time data in Gazebo.
And a national food processor even started handing out year-end bonuses based on avoided energy costs. That's how much they trust the numbers.
If you're ready to move from good intentions to proven results, from spreadsheets to strategy,
and from we've done all we can to wow, look at that.
It's time to meet Gazebo. Enroll your sites, align your teams, track what matters, and make progress you can prove.
Gazebo, from targets to traction.